We made it. Welcome to a new video, guys. So I'm going to Norway, and in this bus you will see me going to Norway. And this bus actually, it was supposed to take 25 hours. In real life it took a little bit longer, but well, the first bus was still okay, from Amsterdam to Hamburg. And this is me sitting in the bus, and I got a text message that the bus has a delay, the second bus, and that there was no toilet inside. So quite annoying, but okay, at least they sent us a message, which was really nice. And the bus drive continued and continued, and eventually, this is already the second bus, by the way, and we're just driving. And in the night they had like a ferry kind of, and we needed to get out. It was mandatory, but it only took like less than an hour or something like that. And then we were back in the bus again, and we could sleep in the bus. And this sleep, yeah, what can I say? It was quite interesting. I had the front seat, so the seat to the front completely. And I was not too happy about that eventually. I didn't sleep well at all, so that's why there are shots from during the night. This is me being very disappointed. Yeah, but at least like in the mornings I had a good view. I got a little bit of rest extra because the person next to me, she left, so that was perfect. And yeah, I just enjoyed the view from here on a little bit. And eventually, this is already Norway. So in Oslo, I arrived with the bus, and there I finally got some breakfast. I was super hungry. This is the train ticket from Oslo to Bø, because in Bø I'm going to study right now. And the train ride was actually really pretty. I was super tired. It took me 2 hours, but I mean, the views were pretty nice, and it was a new experience to be in a train in Norway. So I enjoyed these views, and then finally I arrived in Bø with all of my luggage. We made it. I arrived. So it was a long day actually. Yesterday I had left my place at around 8:15 a.m. and now it's 2 p.m. So it was like 1.5 days. So first it was the car, then it was a bus, then it was a transfer to another bus, but there was a delay as well. And then another bus, and then this morning a train. Oh, well, yeah, a train. 2 hours. And now I needed to walk for 15 minutes with all my stuff. But now I'm here. I'm sitting in my room. Yeah, it was a long journey. And I'm really tired, like, really tired. This is my room. I just put it on myself. I think there's no one here yet, because there's no names. And then we have this kitchen for the 6 of us.
Wow.
So we have a fridge, a freezer, which is really handy, and then a nice little kitchen, or I think there's one person, and a little common area, which is so nice. And the other one is beautiful. I will try to film it later as well. But let's go in my room now. It's a mess still. Okay. Here we go. We have our own bathroom with a shower, a toilet, a nice little sink, hey, a cupboard, and we got, this is my mess, a table, my suitcase. We got a big closet to put our things in, We got even a balcony. Again, me and balconies. But in winter it will be pretty cold, by the way. But okay, with a chair. And I share this balcony with my neighbor, who's not here yet. Yes. A nice little chair. A desk. Another chair. Another thing. Another, and a bed. And I need to put this on here, and then I'm going to have a little rest. This one is really soft. I don't know if you can feel it. Look at this baby. Oh, yes. This feels so good. So, what's the plan? I need some groceries because I also need some toilet paper, some shampoo, stuff like that, I think. I need to unpack all of my stuff, organize, all of that shit. So, that's the plan. Oh, and by the way, let's give you some do's and don'ts that you need to do in a bus. Don't, number one, don't ever, if you're taking a 25-hour bus, book a seat in the top deck on the front. That's what I did because I was like,
oh, that's a nice view.
In the night, they blow so much air conditioning in the front that you die of cold. Literally, I was so cold. Nowhere in the bus it was cold except for the front row because the air conditioning was blowing and blowing, and after a while I was like, can you please like put it down a little bit? No, it's not possible. I was like so after a while I just sat somewhere else even when there was a spot free. Number one tip, don't ever sit in the front row if you're traveling overnight by bus. Number one tip. Tip number two is bring a sleep mask. That's a do. I always bring a sleep mask while traveling because it's amazing. Buy a sleep mask. It's perfect. It will save your life. A third one, inflatable neck pillow. I think I have a video with that one as well. Perfect. It doesn't take up any space, but you have a little pillow to snuggle, or at least to put it in your neck or to lay against the window and stuff. And tip number 4, bring food. Oh my god, they didn't even stop once for food. And the toilet was broken and they stopped once actually in the middle of the night, but not one time for food. Luckily I had some stuff with me, but if I didn't bring anything with me I would be starving. Like literally starving from hunger and from cold. So yes, never sit in the front row. If you're doing a 25-hour bus drive, bring an inflatable pillow, bring a mask, an eye mask, bring food and drinks. And I got a gift from my colleagues, and it was a Bluetooth headphone, and it's also noise cancelling, and it was perfect in the bus. Like, it was so nice. No noise of people, no noise of the car, no nothing. With no music, just with the headphones on, noise cancelling on. Perfect. So if you have one, bring one for sure. What else? Yeah, bring something warm with you, like a sweater for sure. I also like to bring flip-flops because I don't want to be in my shoes the whole time. But now I was so cold, but I did put my shoes on. Number one tip, don't sit in the front. I was Okay, continue to the next clip. I've been talking for 5 minutes. Good morning! Look at this. There is a gym over there. So maybe this is the time of my life that I need to go to a gym. Maybe. To the vintage store, and then I went to do some other groceries. Went to another store again to buy some furniture, not furniture, but like things to put in my room to make it a little bit, I don't know, that I really enjoy being in my room. But I did that, and then I organized all of my stuff and I put it all in the closet. I put some pictures on the wall. I rested a little bit. And yeah, so now I'll be going to the gym. And the finished room tour with all the pictures I will post in the next video, I think. I will do a special video, just a video about my room and the kitchen, I think. And there are pictures everywhere. And those are with a like throwaway camera. Like one of these, I have one with me from my previous trips, and I will tell every story about every photo, I think, that I put up on the walls. So that will be in the next video, but now let's go to the gym. The weather is so nice! So here's the campus that I'm staying at, with all the rooms, and there is the gym. So the gym was closed now. Well, you could go in, but only for members, and I'm not a member because there was no one working there right now. So I'm going again tomorrow. Now I'm just going to walk around a little bit. I saw there was like a little river here. There was supposed to be a river, so let's see if I can find it. All of a sudden there are these things. I don't know if I'm supposed to be here. Oh, wow. It's a big river. Wow. Guys, by the way, I really hope you enjoyed all the Bulgarian vlogs. I had a lot of fun. I'm still editing a lot because this video is going to be online quite a lot later. But I had so much fun filming and editing. I'm so glad that I did it. But yeah, so if you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, I would say subscribe. There you can see all of the next videos. And even if you push the bell, you get a notification every time a video comes out online. So that would be perfect. I can see a big rock over there. So, let's go over there. Yes, that's where we want to go. So nice. I was just sitting at the water. There was one other girl when I arrived, and now there were a few kids coming. I think they had some training or so. And now they all went into the water, and I tipped with my toes a little bit, and it was so cold. So yeah, it's really cool that they just went in, all of the kids, and then they jumped where there was a lot of water, and then they went with the water. So it was really nice to see. They were just enjoying so much. I'm trying to get out of here. Where the fuck am I? This is not where I'm supposed to be. Okay. I got out. Now I kind of know the way. I saw a better route. So for now, I think I have enough footage for this first video here in Norway. So yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Next video will be probably a room tour from my room and the stories with the photos of my previous trips that I took with me. So again, if you want to see the next video, subscribe, and if you want to like and comment on this video, it would mean a lot to me. Bye bye!